Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today we are going to be unboxing and talking about the new mini compact Hikvision Ptz cameras. So these cameras are really designed differently from the normal style of Ptzs, which are big and bulky. These are really designed to be smaller, perfect for home use, shop use, maybe even a small car park, something like that. So we really like these cameras. They're absolutely full of features, and we're going to explain, how to set one up, how to use some of the features, and yeah, get you a good feel of what the camera's like. So first of all, we're going to be unboxing it. All right then. So for those of you who don't know, I should quickly show you the model number here. As you see, there was a link below. Okay, it's not showing up too well on the camera, but it's the DS-2DE3A404IW-DE, and this is the Wi-Fi version, even though we're not using the Wi-Fi, with a W on the end. Okay, and this is there's a couple of new Hikvision PTZs. We'll call them PTZs. This one has the zoom; it's 4x zoom, but there's other ones in the market without the zoom, but they're still very good cameras. So let's have a look, see what we get inside the box. So we've got a little manual here. We don't need that. Okay, some sticky back stickers. Okay, we have a plug here. Okay, thank you for the European plug, but we won't be using this because we're going to go for a PoE switch later. Alright, and let's open the box. Okay, they've actually done a good job packing this one. Okay, nice of them. Give us a transformer as well. Alright. So there's our power supply, which we won't be using. Some screws. And just the bits and bobs. But what we're really interested in is the camera. Alright then. So as you can see already, it comes with a bracket inbuilt. I'm going to take a closer look at that soon. Alright, we don't need any of it. Nothing really of interest within the accessories, just your standard bits from Hikvision. Let's put those away for now. Okay. As you see, here's the back. Now what they've done is, I like the fact that they put the wall mount built into the camera, so no extra wall mounts needed. Good idea there from Hikvision. Okay, here's the top of it. Okay, let's take off the plastic. There we go. Yeah, that was me trying to do sound effects, so I don't think I'll be doing that again. Okay. Yeah, very nice looking camera. Very impressed with the looks and the size. As you see, here's our ruler. Okay. So it's about 18 centimeters in height. And about the same width-wise. So very tiny. And I'll put my hand here just to show you the size of the camera. Okay, I'll say I've got medium-sized hands, so you get an idea of the size. Alright, so what we are going to do is we're going to plug this into our switch and then power it up and start seeing what the features are like, show you guys how to use it. So catch you soon in our next part, and see you soon. Alright, so now we have plugged in our camera to our switch. So we're just using a simple Hikvision PoE switch. I'll show you on the screen. Okay, that's just literally plugged in via a cable, and we just mounted the camera. So very easy setup, a very easy camera to mount. A nice simple back plate, you just have to unscrew. You should have no problems there. Alright, like I said, simple setup. Now we're going to try and find the camera and show you a few things on how to use it. Okay, so what you will need is SADP tool from Hikvision. There's a link on our website. or you could just Google SADP tool from Hikvision. And what this tool does is allow you to access the local network and log into the camera. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Alright, so we've got our SADP tool here. I'll just give it a quick refresh, and this is our camera. Okay, as you see, it's inactive, which means it is fresh camera, brand new out the box. Alright then, so what we are going to do, first of all, we're going to set it up, and then we're going to show you a few features. Okay, so first things first, you need to put in a password. So we put in the password, we enable Hit Connect, and we do the same verification code. Okay, activate. Okay, so what we need to do is enable Dhcp as well to change this IP address. Okay, we don't want any of this extra security. You can set that up yourself. So we're just going to enable Dhcp, put in the password, modify. Okay, so now we've changed the IP address of the camera. See, it's changing here. It's gone to 000. Give it a second. Okay, it's changed. Now double click on the IP address, and it should take you to the camera. There we go. Alright then, so it's admin and your password that you just entered. Hopefully you guys haven't forgotten it already. I have mine. No, are you kidding? Alright then, so now we're on the camera. Alright then. Oh, hey guys, you can see me. So we're on our live view of our camera. I'll show you a couple of different things here. So you can change the aspect ratio here. Now we're on the full stream here, the main stream. You can change it to sub-stream or third stream, but mainstream will give you the best resolution for the live view, which is what we want. Okay, so now if we were just going to do a few simple settings to show you how the camera works. Alright then, so this is our Ptz control, top right corner. We go up, down, left, right. Okay, pretty simple there. And this one has the zoom on it, so let's zoom in on something. You've got these cameras over here. Let's just zoom in on those. So the zoom buttons are these magnifying glass kind of icons. And you can zoom in. So this is optical zoom, not digital zoom. For those who don't know the difference, optical zoom means it has some sort of mechanical lens inside the camera, which will adjust, where digital zoom is all in the pixel quality, nothing to do with it, with the actual lens. Okay, so optical zoom is obviously better because we got the digital zoom on top. So okay, so that's how you zoom in and out. See, it's not bad little zoom for a little camera like this, does the job. Okay, now you can insert SD card into here and view the playback, but we're going to show you how to set that up on a DVR soon. It's very easy to set up on a DVR. Add it to our common DVR we use. Okay, configuration. Alright, so from here we can change a few of the settings. So you've obviously got the name, the normal settings, picture quality, frame rates, all that stuff. Audio comes preset. Okay, but it's the event we're going to look at quickly. Okay, so we have our camera here. Okay, so what we're going to do is just quickly show you guys the flashing alarm and audible output. Okay, so to do that we need to activate a simple motion detection. Draw the area. For some reason they've gone back to the old boxes. Okay, so just draw some boxes here. There we go. Alright, sensitivity, put it up to 40. Save that. Okay, so we've enabled. Okay, we just save that, and now we've enabled our motion detection. It's on 24/7 linkage. For those who don't know what linkage is, basically it means what's going to happen after motion is detected. And we're going to have a flashing alarm, audible warning, and that will do for us for now. Alright, so our motion box is set up. what's going to happen. So it's going to flash a light. Perfect. We just want it to flash 5 times. Maximum brightness. Save. That's an easy one. And the Audible Output. Okay, for those who've used Audible Outputs before, this one has one. It's not the best, but it does have 3 messages you can use. So let's go for this one, and then we're going to have it on once. Alright then. So that's our Audible warning done and flashing light. Let's give it a test. Alright then, so that works nice. Flashing light, audible warning is good. And for those of you who don't know, this has 2-way audio. I'm not going to show you how to use that because you just use your app on your phone, click on 2-way audio. It's really easy. Yeah, you can't go wrong. Alright, so that's some of your basic settings. We have smart events here where you could do facial detection, intrusion, all that stuff. But there's many videos on how to do that. So I hope you guys learned something. Oh, triggered again. And what we're going to show you, the last part of this video is just going to quickly show you how to add it to your DVR. So obviously this is the IP PoE camera. It is designed for an NVR, but as you know, most DVRs can handle IP cameras. So I'll quickly show you how to do that, and that will be it. Okay, so now we're on our DVR. I'm going to quickly show you how to add our IP camera to our DVR. It's really easy. So this is our 8-channel DVR, which allows you to add up to 4 more IP cameras. So technically it's a 12-channel, and it's perfect for these kind of IP cameras because you can get a little smart camera now added to your DVR. Just what we want. Alright then. So we're on our main menu. We've got no normal cameras plugged in, but we're going to show you how to add an IP one. Pretty straightforward. So if you've just seen how we set up the camera, just follow those steps and make sure your DVR is on the same network, and it's a piece of cake. So we go to camera here. Alright then, so IP camera on the left. This will show you all the IP cameras on the network is found. Okay, so we go down to the bottom here. Okay, is our Ptz camera already here? Literally just have to go tick the checkbox, add, and it's added it to our DVR. I mean, they've made it so nice and easy now. And we go to our live view, and there we go. Our Ptz is now recording on our DVR. Okay, so let me show you guys. No, still got the motion detection activated. And then let me show you how to control this. Now, go bring up the Ptz controller. We can go left and right, up and down from our DVR. And then we've even got the zoom as well. How about that? Okay. So they're the basics on the new mini Ptz from Hikvision. They're perfect for home, shop, small outdoor area. It'll do the job. And we've got a couple of different versions. We've got the color view if you wanted the 24/7 color, but we've got the Dark Fighter one as we're trying out now with the little bit of digital zoom. So feel free to get in contact if you need any more information or interested in a camera. And I hope you enjoyed something and learned something, and see you next time. Cheers. Bye.